everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you TikTok trend baby face effects using CapCut. So the first you can click new project, and after that choose the photos. I will choose one pictures here of Jon Snow, and then I want to make it like video before after Jon Snow, before I mean the adult Jon Snow, and the after is the baby Jon Snow. I will copying the pictures first. Click on the clip and then click copy, and I will move it to the overlay like this, and after that I will adjust the duration, and click on the overlay clip, and then click style, and after that you can swipe right and click baby face. Click save, resize the overlay here, and place it to the bottom like this, and you can adding a text too, like text on here. Click add text. I will add the baby of Jon Snow. Don't forget to use style, and then choose the style. I will choose this one. Click save, and then move it to the upper of the, or maybe the bottom of the pictures of the overlay like this. And after that I want to click on the overlay and click animation, and then click in, and I want to choose flip, then click save. I will add an animation to the text too. Click on the text and then click animation, click chromatic. So click save, and this is the result. So this is a TikTok trend baby face effects using CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.